What is a reference model? A reference model is process content against which other processes can be mapped via the stages compliance mapping capability. It resides in its own workspace, typically using a specific meta model. Examples for reference models are CMMI, automotive spice, ISO standards. Reference models can be either imported as content packages created by MethodPark or created directly by customers. Typically, a process has to comply only with a specific section of a reference model. For example, a project management process only needs to comply with the Man.3 project management process area of automotive spice. Therefore, the reference models are normally broken down into scopes, which contain a subset of all reference model requirements. Per convention, each reference model has a default scope containing the set of requirements typically referenced.